Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a spice that's probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now, but you might not realize just how powerful it is. We're talking about cinnamon. This isn't just a delicious topping for your latte or oatmeal. It has a superfood packed with incredible health benefits that have been recognized for centuries and are now being confirmed by modern science. So grab a warm drink, maybe sprinkle a little cinnamon in it, and let's explore why you should seriously consider making this amazing spice a daily staple. First off, let's talk about what makes cinnamon so special. The magic comes from its compounds, particularly one called cinnamaldehyde. This is what gives cinnamon its distinct flavor and aroma, but more importantly, it's responsible for most of its powerful health effects. But hold on, not all cinnamon is created equal. There are two main types, Ceylon, often called true cinnamon, and Cassia, which is more common and what you likely have. While both are good, Ceylon is generally considered the higher quality. Safer choice for regular, heavy use because it contains much lower levels of a compound called coumarin, which can be problematic in large doses. We'll touch on that a bit later, but for now, just know that whenever possible, opting for Ceylon is a great move. Alright, let's jump into the first major benefit. Cinnamon is an antioxidant powerhouse. You hear that word antioxidant a lot, but what does it actually mean? Think of antioxidants as your body's personal defense squad. They fight against damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm your cells and contribute to aging and various health issues. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants like polyphenols. In fact, a study that compared the antioxidant activity of 26 spices found that cinnamon was the clear winner, even outranking other superfoods like garlic and oregano. Including cinnamon in your diet is like giving your body an extra layer of armor to protect itself from daily wear and tear. Now for a huge one, its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy that's linked to almost every major chronic condition, from heart disease to neurodegenerative disorders. While short-term inflammation is a normal, healthy response to injury long-term, low-grade inflammation can wreak havoc on your body. The good news, the antioxidants in cinnamon also have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help lower inflammation markers in the body. By adding a little cinnamon to your meals, you're not just adding flavor. You're reactively helping to cool down internal inflammation and reduce your risk of developing these serious long-term health problems. It's a simple, delicious way to be proactive about your health. Let's move on to benefit number 3, which is a game changer for so many people, blood sugar management. This is perhaps one of the most well-researched benefits of cinnamon. It has a remarkable ability to lower blood sugar levels through several mechanisms. First, it can decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal by slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract. Second, and this is really fascinating, cinnamon can mimic insulin, the hormone responsible for transporting sugar from your blood into your cells. This can dramatically improve insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient at using its own insulin. For anyone concerned about metabolic health or keeping their energy levels stable throughout the day, a little bit of cinnamon can make a big difference. Just a half teaspoon a day has been shown to have positive effects. Okay, let's talk about your heart. Heart health is crucial, and guess what? Cinnamon is a friend to your cardiovascular system. We've already mentioned its role in fighting inflammation and managing blood sugar, both of which are key factors in heart health, but it goes further. Research suggests that cinnamon can help improve some of the most important markers of heart disease risk. Studies have shown that a regular intake of cinnamon can lead to reductions in total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, while the good HDL cholesterol remains stable. By helping to keep your cholesterol levels and blood pressure in a healthy range, cinnamon acts as a powerful ally in protecting your most vital organ. Now, let's shift our focus to brain health. As we age, protecting our cognitive function becomes increasingly important. Exciting new research is exploring cinnamon's neuroprotective properties. Two compounds found in cinnamon appear to inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau in the brain, which is a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. While most of this research is still in its early stages, primarily in test tubes and animal studies, the findings are incredibly promising. Furthermore, by improving blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity, cinnamon indirectly supports brain health, as poor metabolic health is a known risk factor for cognitive decline. So that daily dash of cinnamon might be doing more for your brain than you think. Benefit number 6 is all about your gut. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall wellness, and cinnamon can play a supportive role here. It has prebiotic properties, which means it promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut while helping to suppress the growth of less desirable pathogens. Think of it as helping to maintain a healthy, balanced ecosystem in your digestive system. On top of that, cinnamon possesses powerful antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. The active component, cinnamaldehyde, has been shown to fight against various kinds of infections. For centuries, it's been used to help combat everything from respiratory tract infections to fungi like Candida. It's like a natural security guard for your body. Lastly, let us talk about something a bit more specific but incredibly relevant. Cinnamon can be a wonderful aid for women's health, particularly when it comes to polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS. PCOS is a complex hormonal disorder that can affect metabolism and fertility. Remember how we talked about cinnamon's incredible effect on insulin resistance? Well, insulin resistance is a key feature of PCOS. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help improve insulin sensitivity and promote more regular menstrual cycles in women with PCOS. It's a natural approach that, when combined with other lifestyle changes, can offer significant support and relief. So there you have it, 7 incredible, science-backed reasons to add more cinnamon to your life. From being an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory champion to supporting your heart, brain, gut, and metabolic health, this humble spice is a true giant. Now, how can you easily incorporate it? It's so simple. Sprinkle it on your coffee, tea, or yogurt. Add it to smoothies, oatmeal, or even savory dishes like curries and chili. A little goes a long way. A typical dose that has shown benefits in studies is about half to 1 teaspoon per day. And remember, if you plan to use it regularly, try to find Ceylon cinnamon to be on the safe side. This is a perfect example of how small, simple changes can lead to big health rewards. It's about making conscious choices to nourish your body, and cinnamon is an easy, delicious, and affordable way to do just that. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, as a matter of fact, consult a doctor before drinking anything. It is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding to your diet. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. What's your favorite way to use cinnamon? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural ways to boost your health, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.